just gonna wait until you finish your movie. My own Marvel superhero group. Mega Friends. Part 1, The Black Monster. It's really about this virus that affects one person in the team. Ugly self. The person it affects, I'm kinda working on it, but all I have right now it affects her. That's all I have to say. The virus affects her because one day she was walking in the park and she saw her friend Ella. Ella was her friend ever since kindergarten, but right now they're in like 5th grade. They're in 5th grade. And she thought her friend Ella was calling her. So she came by the tree. I'm not finished drawing her friend Ella, but she came by the tree. And when she came there, when she tried to touch her friend, cause she knows what is real and not real, so she was like, there's something suspicious about this, and she put her hand. She tried to touch her, but it was a hologram. So then these group of bad guys called the CL took her and shot her with a virus. Now every time she goes Cataline is her superhero name. So every time she goes Cataline, something bad happens. So when she gets hit every time during the battle, the Black Monster appears. So Cataline is a cat superhero that has a lot of good features, but I can't tell you it right now. I'll tell you it next time. Okay. This is Jack. He's a really spirit. He really has a good spirit. Every day, nothing lets him down. And Cataline, she's nothing compared to him. Cataline doesn't really like to smile. And his superhero name is Thunder. Mega Friends is a Marvel superhero thing. Well, I'll tell you more about it next time. Bye.